Hi friends, how are you? This is Deepak here from No Deep channel. Um Today we'll see how you can open up your Shopify store, right? How you can sign up on that. Shopify store basically used for drop shipping purpose. Most of the people are using it for drop shipping, and also it can be used for e-commerce purpose as well, right? Going ahead, let's dive into it. So you have to open your browser, type Shopify in here, right? So this is how the Shopify website looks like, right? And here, if you go, it'll show you the pricing. Here you can learn, there's a lot of things to learn. It has help center, it has blogs, guides, forms, it has free tools, right? Everything you can also choose and learn from this, right? And if you already have an account on Shopify, you can click on login, and um, you can go and use your own storefront that you have already created. If you don't have, you have to click over here, which says start free trial. So the new window would pop up which says start your free 14 days trial of Shopify, right? So here you have to give your email address. Let me give mine. There you go. So it's done. Now you have to choose the password. Choose the password that you always remember, because if you lose your password, if you forgot your password, it would be really hard to recover your store, right? So it's better to choose your password wisely and remember it properly, right? Then coming down to store name, you have to choose your store name pretty wisely. The reason I'm saying is because you have to choose your niche first, right? Niche can be anything. Let's say health and fitness is one niche, right? Fashion is another niche, right? So if you are choosing to go for health and fitness, so accordingly you have to choose particular store name for which you can import the product from Alibaba and sell it to different places, right? For me, I'll be going for health and fitness, so I'll be choosing yoga, right? See, okay, this has already been taken. So if this red line pops up at the bottom, and so that means this store has already been created by someone else, so you cannot take this, so you have to choose another one, uh, right? So I think I'll get this name, right? Right, now I'll click on create your store, so it'll create my store in a moment. So it says sit tight, we are creating your store. So it will take a moment, like 1 or 2 seconds to load up the page. Just bear with me for a moment. Here we are, right? So this is the first page. Sooner you create your store, right? Here what it says is it'll ask 4 or 5 questions that you have to give answers properly. First it says, are you already selling? So it has multiple options. It says, I'm just playing around, I'm not selling product yet, I'm selling, just not online, I sell with a different system. So if if you are here for the first time, you can directly say, I'm just playing around, so that if you are trying this store for the first time, you can have your first hand experience on that, right? So let's click on this. Then it says, let us help you kickstart your business while you play around, right? So if you want to choose, you can choose any of these. It will help you to create your logo. It will help you how to brainstorm the name for your business, which you already have created, so you don't have to worry about it, right? Then it will also help you to get started with your free online webinar, right? And it could also help you to find a product that you would like to sell. So you can click on all of these if you want to, right? Then the second question that it has was the current revenue. So since we are starting, we do not have any revenue, so click on 0. Now which industry would you like to be operating in? So here, since I am into health and fitness, I'll click on sports, right? And then the last one, are you setting up a store for a client? Since I am not setting the store for a client, uh, you know I don't have to click on this. If you are setting a store for a client, there are a lot of people who do work for a client as well. So if they are creating a store for a client, they have to click yes. If not, you don't have to click on this, right? So now you have to click next. So it will take you to another page where it says, it will ask for other information like your name, um, first name, last name. Then it will ask for the address, right? You have to give your proper address where you actually live, right? Then you have to come down. I live in India, Indore. I'll click over there. I'll type Indore, India, Madhya Pradesh. Then your pin code, right? Whichever pin code that you find is suitable for the place where you live, right? So you have to take that pin code. Then you have to give your mobile number, right? And that is it. Then you click on enter my store. It will take 1 or 2 seconds to load up the page, and it will take you to your website, to your storefront, which you have just created. So this is how it would look, right? It's this is actually a backend, right? It has everything what ones require, right? It has the menu of home, orders, product, customer. You can do analytics, you can track the orders, where it has gone, and how you can excel in selling of your own product. So you can take the help of analytics as well. Then you can do marketing. You can integrate marketing channels like Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you can integrate that with the help of marketing. Then you have an option of discounts, right? When you are doing upselling, when you are doing cross selling, so you have to create a discount so that people can buy more and more from you, right? So you can create a discount from here. Then the last one is apps. So what Shopify does is, it provides a lot of apps to you, wherein you can um, which will help you a lot in terms of tracking, in terms of everything, right? So it has got a lot of features. I'll be talking about it in some other videos. So right. Then the last one is here. Sooner you create your channel, you have to click over here. It will directly take you to another page where it will show you the front end of your website, right, which you have just created. However, we have not put anything over here, so it's not showing anything. Sooner you'll put your work in, you'll type things, you'll put the product images, it will directly show up here. So this is how it will look like, right? And you can add sales channel also from here. There are different sales channels: point of sale, buy button, messenger, Facebook. So you can also add on different sales channels. And if you click on here on online store, so it will take you to the navigation pages, the blog posts that you can type. Then you can create different pages over there, and it will also ask you for your particular domain, because it's actually not free. This is actually for 14 days. So after 14 days, if you want to have your website running, you need to create your domain name. You have to purchase your domain. If not, then it would be closed. Your store would be closed, right? And the last one is setting, right? So in setting, it's just a normal information that you have to put, right? So this is all about how you can create store on Shopify.